Hey there, have you ever wondered if you can record your Descript videos like a Loom video? Where you can have your face in a circle instead of a rectangle? Well, I wondered the same thing too, and I have finally figured it out, and I want to share with you how to do this. Hello, and welcome to Edit with These. This is Andria, and I am excited to share with you how you can turn your webcam into a circle while you are recording in Descript. So let's get started. All right, well, there's several ways that you can do it, and this is my favorite way. Just click New, and you can choose Video Project, but the quickest way to do it is the quick recording. And then, what you want to do is just click here where it says camera, and then choose your camera here. I only have one right now. Go ahead and click Start Recording or Control Shift and the number 2. All right, so I am just going to go ahead, and you're going to have to record it as a rectangle to start off with. So I'm just going to record a little bit here. I'm just going to record just a little bit just so that you could see how this goes. All right, that is pretty much enough. And so now, as you can see, we are here in the regular Descript window. In order to get this to turn into a circle, this is what you want to do. Click the picture, and then where it says position, you can position it in the bottom left, the top left, the top right, or the bottom right. Okay, and all of these options are right here. And then you can change the shape right here in the shape area, and I already have mine clicked to circle, but you can have it as a square or portrait for like social media or something like that. And then the regular landscape, that's the original kind. Now I have mine on a circle, and so what you can do is just click here, and then you can make it as big or as small as you like. Now here's another nice little thing you can do. If you want to publish it and send it just like a Loom to someone, go ahead and click publish, and then you want to have it as a web link. And I usually just click here, anyone with the web link. And then if you want, you can download it, but the quickest way to do it is just to click copy link. As you can see, it copied the link. And then when you want to send it as an email attachment or anything like that, just go ahead and send your email, and then paste this link into the email, and they will have your video. Isn't that neat? And if you have found value in this video, please like and share and subscribe to the channel, okay? Because that will help me with the algorithm, and it will also help me to publish content that you like. If you have any questions or anything about this video or any comments, please leave them in the comment, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now.